messing around. We just got through doing Diamond Head, and then we figured, you know what? Let's check out the crazy trees in Kapiolani Park. People can live in these things. Can both of you fit on there?
No, but get off real quick. We found the swing.
Swing. Oh, hey, somebody tied a knot.
No, it's just like that.
Look at this thing. It's part of the tree.
Oh!
Right?
Oh!
There you go. Ooh, don't fall out.
Fall out.
Fall out. Nice, Madison. Can you hear them? Can you hear them? There's like birds all over the place. Here, let me come out of this mess and show you a little bit where we're at. All right, Kapiolani Park. The ocean's right over there, the other side. That's Waikiki in front of me. Diamond Head is hidden right behind that tree. Here, if I back up, you can see it. See it? There's a tip over it. All right, back to the children. Have you done a big one yet? Careful now, careful, you're on live TV. Don't forget your manners. You haven't taken a running leap yet? Look how strong this thing is, crazy. All right. There, oh, there you go. There's Diamond Head. Oh, that's a lot better. All right.